Aaron Group is a automation company. We specialise in bespoke automation in the packaging industry. So we would design it from the very, very beginning. So from the drawing right the way through. It's very important for me that a customer can come into this factory and they can see their product being built from start to finish. So it can be a dead piece of steel to something that's actually moving and live.
It's nice to be at the forefront of advanced technology in Mid Wales, and the support with Welsh Government started with the Smart Cymru R&D phase, where we were supported to develop a brand new packaging machine. Not only have we had support in areas for innovation and manufacturing, with the support that we've had, we've been able to become market leaders. The innovation is a key place to start, because without innovation in our business, we don't have the right products to offer our end users.
As a design engineer, the contact we have with the Smart Innovation team in Wales and our representatives is fantastic. The innovations team is made up of engineers and scientists themselves. This is invaluable to us as it gives us a background for further knowledge into the fields which we might be lacking. We work on a very close one-to-one basis where they're always at the end of the phone should we need them.
Automation is a key enabler in the process and packaging industry, but we're also playing a big part in employment trends, in creating more skilled and fulfilling opportunities. We take people from grassroots and invest a lot of time and training in their professional development. I think if we can offer opportunities in employment here, hopefully we keep people in the local community and deter them from having to find those type of jobs elsewhere.
The automation side of our business, it can take us all over the world, and we're a little Welsh company, and we are putting Wales on the map, and we are very proud of what we're achieving in Mid Wales.